My name's Nicholas Martinez and I am from Holland, Michigan. I've been working at Coastal for 2 years. I was working somewhere else and I actually had a couple people that I knew working here and they were telling me that Coastal was hiring and that I should look into it. I had heard that it was a clean place. I've done automotive work, so I'd come home covered in grease and everything else head to toe. So not having to come home covered in that, I kind of thought maybe this was somewhere that I would want to check out. At Coastal, I'm a machine operator. I run the saws. The saw is basically like a big band saw. So it's got a wire that's on 4 wheels. Everyone on my team, they're really nice, kind of quiet, calm people. The faces are always the same. You get to know people really well here. Compared to other places I've been, it has like a lot smaller, like homier feel. My supervisor is a really easy guy to get along with. Right away when you bring up an issue to him, he's doing something to figure out what he can to fix it. The leadership here makes me feel valued because they actually listen to your opinion. The upper management actually does look out for you. They do notice, the little things that you do and they let you know like, hey, there might be this opening or that opening. When I got hired in, I was supposed to be on division lines, and then it wasn't very long that they moved me to conveyance, and then I was only on conveyance for 2 weeks, and they're like, hey, we have a soft position opening. You've shown that you want more responsibility and you have the knowledge. So they offered it to me and I took it right away. My favorite part about working here is just the satisfaction of doing a job. It's not challenging, but it's not easy either. There's a lot of steps that you have to follow in order to create and do a job the right way. It's just satisfying doing it from start to finish.